This video is going to show you how to erase your account. Why do you need to erase your account? Well, you could be selling your spa, you could be giving it to somebody else, or you could maybe even be renting your house out. But this will completely erase your affiliation in the cloud server with your username and password. So it's pretty simple to do. You go to Cloud Connect, you go to Account Setup, and you'll see erase account, and it's going to ask you, do you really want to erase your account? You press yes, and then you want to enter your user ID and your password. You log in, and it says your account has been erased successfully. At this point, you would have to go reset up your account in order to do cloud login. You will no longer have access to the cloud, and you'll have to go through the same process you did in the earlier videos to create your account.